Hey, what are you doing that for?
I like it.
Oh. Nice going.
Okay.
That's enough. Don't do that anymore.
One more. One more. Whoa, I think this is awesome. This is so awesome.
Throw it in there.
Hey, look at that piece. That's the plastic. We need the plastic dude. No!
Watch out for the beehive in there.
No, there's a beehive.
Oh shit. Hey, don't go be. You just dropped the ball in there? Oh.
What beehive?
What?
There's a beehive there?
Hey, you didn't know that?
You put the ball in there?
Okay, who's gonna reach down there and get it?
No.
Zzz. There's no beehive in there. Get the ball out. And don't throw it in there anymore.